Muscat. Thank you for joining in this series of online conversations we began on 13th of April. Today, we are going to have this conversation focused on engineering. The provocation, the context has been the India-Oman Comprehensive Economic Partnership Agreement that we signed on 18th of December during the visit of Honorable Prime Minister. It has been ratified by both the sides. Entry into force is likely sometimes in June, if not then shortly. With that in the context, we have convened this for exclusively an engineering conversation on the two sides. Without much ado, let me give the floor to my colleague Sonia, who will be calling one by one. We will be going first to the Omani government chamber representatives, followed by the Indian Chambers Government Export Promotion Council representatives. Then we'll come back to Oman company level and back to India company level. One request, the companies, please limit your intervention to 2 minutes. If you do not have a PowerPoint, no problem. Speak whatever is the idea, proposal for strengthening India-Oman collaboration that you have in mind. Share those thoughts. Company credits, etc. You don't have to really spend a lot of your limited 2 minutes time on describing how great your company is. Besides, of course, mentioning if you have any accolades showered onto you by the international recognition standards, etc., that will be useful. Um, Beyond that, don't spend too much of time about what you do, what you make, etc., because that will be described. The idea is optimally use 2 minutes to see whether you can make an idea which will be heard by your counterparts, who will then be wanting to look you up as they want to do that. That will be facilitated by us through this very notice board through which you joined. India-Oman Network notice board has all the details. It will have all the details of today also, including the PowerPoint submitted by the people in a folder, transcription, recording. The same thing is true of the past conferences which we have had. So all in all, on that count, everybody is glued and they will be finding out what exactly you had to say. With that now, let me give the floor to Sonia. Who are you going to call first?
Engineer Yaqub Al Haddasi, head of the construction committee of Sohar branch of Oman Chamber of Commerce and Industry.
Yeah.
Hello, do you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you. Go ahead.
Okay, first of all, this is Engineer Yaqub Al Handasi. I'm head of the contractor committee here in North Al Batina. And also, I need to thank the Indian Embassy also for work happening regarding to do more collaboration also related of our businesses. Of course, we have presentation. Let me I will share you first the presentation to show the more details related of the future of the construction in Oman. Is it clear right now, the PPT file?
Yes, we see it. Make it full screen. You are still in the split mode. Make it full screen.
Yes.
Jacob.
It's
And
clear right
those
now?
who are not speaking, please mute your microphone. Otherwise, the crosstalk comes. Excellent. Go ahead, Jacob. Floor is yours. Very good presentation. Continue.
Future of the construction in Oman, of course, we have got opportunities and a chance to do more collaboration with Indian companies. Our government actually, or policy here in Oman and also in India, of course, there is agreement between Oman and India to growing up relative of the Omani companies or Indian companies. Regarding to that agreement, we need to think a lot and a lot to do more, let's say, innovation related of the our businesses. Moving away to our next slide, of course, we have vision, and India also has vision. Related with that, we have, let's say, a good path to thinking a lot for our future. With Omani vision and also Indian vision, of course, it will give us like a guidelines to think how can we have a strategies to make good collaboration between two countries. We have a lot of, let's say, a good environment to think how can we make it as a balance to going up or starting to or moving away to think for good business. Of course, we have economic based, we have, for example, smart cities, we have more, let's say, development in infrastructure. We have two things supported. India, our vision, and also the growing up related with the structure. I don't know if it's here. Do you hear me or not? Is it clear with me, with you or not?
Yeah, we are able to hear you.
Okay. Related with that, we need to make our direction is clear with the vision, with also demand of more and more infrastructural development related in Oman vision. We have Sultan Haytham city. We have also good logistic places. We have so many companies here also in Oman. I mean, Indian companies, which is, let's say, established not, related, for example, with 30 years, not only in short period. For example, Shaburgi and Larsen Tobro, Volts Limited, those company, it is give us a lot of thing in case in oil and gas field, or in electricity field, or in the normal situation. We develop the innovation, we develop the more, for example, development construction way from India to Oman. That's why they have more stable right now to growing up. If we ask ourselves what is the next, for example, generation regarding the urban and industrial development here in Oman, of course, we have Sultan Haytham, as I talked with you. This is the way to think a lot, because we have to spend as Omani government around 535 millions. That means more or huge money we can spend it over these cities. And of course, this is, let's say, future of Oman. It is smart cities. We have a lot of work over there, not only just in construction field. If we think for demand of the let's say materials, innovation, smart, let's say, technology, AI, we are able to gain that work, or that let's say future work to there. Sohar Port and Free Zone. We have also we have Dokkum Port, we have Salalah Port. That means we have a lot of way to understand the future of the Oman related of the construction field. On other hand, also we are outside of the Hormuz Gate. That means we need to make our companies or our way to future field. There is nothing effect on that. That means we have so many door. It's open right now in Dokkum, Salalah, and Sohar. It is never effect on the Hormuz Gate. That means we'll make our way in stable field. We have, as I told you, we need to develop the digital construction, human capital, and management, supply a lot of green infrastructure. We have, for example, one materials in India, as I remember, the utilization fly ash as alternative material inside the concrete. Unfortunately, here in Oman, we don't have that techniques. That means we can able to take that green materials here in Oman to use it as alternative material inside the concrete, for example. We have also so many alternative materials. That means we need to develop that techniques to make sure we need to change our life, for example, related with the Omani vision and also as per the sustainable goals. As it is mentioned here, sustainable future and together between Omani and Indians, let's say, market, we need to do more and more, let's say, collaboration to enhancing our future relative of the vision. Oman, it's good environment to think a lot and a lot to growing up. And as I give you one example regarding the Larsen and Tobro and so many Indian companies here, also the economic of Oman, it is growing up as we are more articles in the over the world. That's all, and thank you for listening to my presentation.
Thank you very much, Yakub. Really appreciate. I would now call the other government or chamber representatives. As you do so, please do bear with us and limit your presentation to 5 minutes. Thank you. Next.
Sir, Mr. Hussein Abdul Hussein, sir, are you available, sir?
Hussein Abdul. If not,
Mr. Sakir Datta, Joint Director, Engineering Export Promotion Council of India.
Sakir Datta.
Yes, sir.
Go ahead.
Yes. I'm
Engineering
just sharing my
Export Promotion
presentation.
Council. Go ahead. Yakub will have to stop his presentation. He's done it now. Yakub, if you can stop your presentation, that will. Yeah, good. Make it full screen, Sakir.
Is this okay,
No,
sir?
you're still. No. Yeah, now it is okay. Go ahead.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. I represent EEPC, Engineering Export Promotion Council. This is the largest export promotion council in India, and we have more than 10,000 members, engineering firms. And actually, now this year just ended by March 31st. We have registered a huge export figure of 122 billion. This is the first time we reached something more than 122. Is it scrolling? I don't know. Okay.
Yes, it is crawling indeed.
Yeah.
It is
And
moving.
we classify engineering into types, heavy and light engineering. Heavy, my earlier presenter mentioned the construction machinery equipments and all, transport equipments, automobile, and also some light engineering like metals, castings, forgings. These are all light engineering. Now I'll directly come to the statistics. Engineering contributes to 28% of total goods export from India. I was just telling you, this year it is 122.4 billion in 24-25. And if we look at the region-wise export, Ghana is a very important market, but there was a decline. But in other markets, we had growth. We know there was some problem, but we expect that in coming years, these export figures will increase. We have listed the top 25 export destinations from India and Oman's rank. Oman as a export destination, it is 36th. Now we will discuss the India-Oman trade relations. India-Oman, we have signed the
Sakir.
comprehensive economic partnership in
Sakir.
2025. Yes, sir.
I don't know. We do not hear you properly. Either your microphone alignment is bad, or microphone itself. I do not know what the issue is, but your voice comes, fades in, fades out. This is a very important presentation from EEPC. I wanted it to be properly audible to our team Oman also. So can you just see if you can adjust your microphone to be more and better audible?
Can you hear me?
I don't know what
just
you're using. It's
increased the
very
volume.
wavy, Sakir. very
I just
suboptimal.
increase the volume.
See,
Is this okay now?
no, it doesn't really help. It's the quality of the volume, not the volume itself.
Okay.
से बोल के देखो, where is your microphone? It's a computer one.
It's a computer microphone. Is this
Okay,
all right now?
we'll make do with it. Okay, continue. Continue.
Okay, I'm sharing again. So I'm continuing the presentation. Oman is a very important trade partner for India in case of engineering products. Um, Last year in December, we signed this comprehensive economic partnership agreement. And we have set a target from engineering point of view also. We have shared with our government that presently it is around 886 million. But in next 5 years, it will double and it will reach 1.6 to 1.7 billion by 2030. So that is our expectation, and that expectation we shared with the government of India. Under India-Oman SEPA, 98% duty-free access, but in case of engineering, 100% products are enjoying the duty-free access. I'll just show you some data. This is overall goods trade data that we are aware of, but I'll skip this slide. I'll move to engineering. I just told you it is 886 million in 2025-26. And I also mentioned that by 2030, it will reach 1.6 billion. See, this figures in 2025-26, despite all crisis, all odds, our export to Oman increased, registered a positive growth. An interesting fact is, even in March, there was a growth in export of engineering goods to Oman. As an engineering goods supplier, India ranks fourth after UAE, China, Japan. If you see, UAE, it is contributing 31% of total engineering import of Oman. After that, China, then Japan, and after that, India. But our observation is our share still is negligible. It's minuscule. It is minuscule. So there is enough room for improvement. We have then studied the products that we are exporting to Oman. One of the major products of steel, uh, very important, and we have a very good export. In 2025-26, it was more than 230 million. And other products, these are top 15 product segments of engineering that we exported in 2025-26. And these are very important product, and construction machinery is also, because one of the focus sector in this presentation is construction sector. My earlier presenter also mentioned there is a huge scope, and already many engineering companies like Sapurji Palangji, L&T, they are already operating in Omani market. So this is also an important area we are exploring. Now, after SEPA, on behalf of EEPC, we have done a study. This is based on the SEPA tariff. Before SEPA was signed, it was 5% for all these products. And after SEPA is implemented, these all are zero. So this is a huge advantage. So this 5% tariff reduction we expect will encourage our export. And there are other figures you can see. The next column, it is giving India's current share in the Omani market. And the green column, it's giving total share of major competing countries. And the yellow one, total share of major competing countries already having duty-free access in Oman. So we compared this and identified the products which are important, that are to be focused, and that we are doing. We are nurturing this for Oman market. As an Export Promotion Council, this is one of the tasks we do after signing FTA with any other nations. And further drill down the data to identify pinpointed product under each segment, which products are important for Omani market. So this way we had an analysis, and we found these are the product at 6-digit level we need to focus on. Because when we decide any trade promotion activities, when we decide any trade delegation for any country or any trade promotional activities, first is product mapping. So this product mapping exercise we have done to some extent, but more works needed, more research needed to identify the pinpointed products that will help us to enhance our trade in the Oman market. Construction sector, I think that will be continuation from my earlier presentation. This is in line with the Vision 2040, Oman Vision 2040. My earlier presenter also mentioned the focus infrastructure, oil and gas, and India is our major partner in EPC projects. I mentioned the company. My earlier presenter also mentioned the companies. There are construction equipment and machinery and engineering products and material. We have my colleague from ICMA, Indian Construction Equipment Manufacturing Association. She is also attending this session today. So we are in touch with them. So they have also identified Oman as an important market. And this construction machinery industry is very important in India. Presently, it is 10 billion industry and targeting by 2030, 25 billion. It is exporting 25 to 30% CAGR rate at a rate of CAGR 25 to 30 and exporting to 130 plus countries. So advantages, cost competitiveness, the ecosystem, steel ecosystem, engineering capability. Not only Oman, they're one of the major focus region is GCC. So I would discuss with ma'am later. If we can have specific sector-wise session, we can have the industry onboarded for this, because this is one of the major area that we need to nurture, that we need to focus to enhance our export to Oman. So we can have a separate session for that. We can have industry in onboarded for construction machinery sector. And my colleague is already there. So I think she's also taking note of that. So that's all from my side, sir. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Sakir. We do take your point that there is a merit in organizing a subsectoral presentation. You wanted 6 digit, 6 digit, which is called 4 variety. We'll go by them. Thank you very much. Now you can bring a presentation and we'll go to the next. And I will request that please limit to 5 minutes maximum government level. Do we have next? Who's going?
Yeah, Mr. Dayanandan from Capexil.
And then from Capexil, please limit to 5 minutes.
Yeah, good evening. Am I
Good
audible?
evening. Yes.
Yeah. This is Dayanand, Director representing Capexil Export Promotion Council, India. I know the Capexil was set up in March 1958 by the Ministry of Commerce, Government of India, to promote chemical-based allied products, including construction products. Like we have natural stone products like granite, marble, sandstone, cement, clinkers, asbestos products, ceramic tiles, sanitary ware products, paint, coating products, plywood, furniture, etc. And our exports to Capexil's exports to Oman has reached US dollar 595 million last year, and it is growing CAGR 15% for the last 2 years. In fact, the current year our export has reached to US dollar 423 millions. In fact, the export has declined this year. Maybe this is because of the West Asia crisis and high insurance costs and freight costs, etc. Some of the major products being exported to Oman are aluminum product, calcium alumina, ceramic tiles, bricks and shapes, and granites products. And currently, the import duty for all these products being exported to Oman are 5%. Under the India-Oman SEPA, the tariff will be reduced to 0%. So there is a huge scope for increasing construction products between India, Oman and India. So anyone would like to do business with India, please take our expertise from Capexil. We'll be happy to help you. That is what I would like to tell you. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Anandan. Thank you. And if you have any PowerPoint presentation subsequently, please do share with us.
So
That
I
will
have
be
a,
helpful
I have
for
a
people.
present. In fact, I came to know today morning, so I have just prepared a
अभी है क्या?
presentation.
Then and
There,
then
I
do you
can
have
show
it
you that
now?
actually.
But you should have shown it. What happened? We were looking for everyone at 1:30.
Ha.
If you have it, push it. Please do go. Otherwise,
Yeah.
maybe you just send it to us. You have concluded. I don't want to
I have already
unnecessarily
submitted.
tire you out.
We can share it. Can I go through it?
With us.
Yeah, please. No, you have it on your computer? No.
Yeah, Bansibar, please share it.
It's okay, sir. It's okay.
Sure, sir.
I think we'll look you up again then and then. We'll
Yeah.
make do with your oral presentation for now. And
Okay.
what is the next one?
Mr. Amol Gupta from Bhavan Engineering Company. Amol Gupta.
You collect the presentation? Acha, company. Okay. Now we are going incidentally to company level presentations. And we are beginning with Omani side. So please take 2 minutes, Bhavan, to make your presentation, and then we'll continue on the 2 minute cycle now. Then and then we'll look him up a little later in case he has time. Otherwise, we'll be circulating his presentation to everyone. And he has already highlighted the main strengths of Capexil,
Capex.
Capexil with all this building material that we have. So we'll circulate it, everybody will digest it, and we'll move forward. Meanwhile, Bhavan, go ahead.
Yeah, good afternoon, everyone from Oman and guests from India. So I am Amol Kumta. I am the Business Development Manager for the Bhawan Engineering Group. I am joined with my colleague, Mr. Dipankar Ganguly. He is the General Manager, and Mr. Rajkumar, who is the Senior AGM for our group. So I'll just quickly go through the presentation. Kindly let me know if the presentation is visible.
Yes. Yes, it is very visible. Go ahead.
Okay, so we are Bhawan Engineering Group, originated in Oman, and we have our offices in Dubai and Abu Dhabi. So we operate in Oman and UAE. We are more than almost completing now 5th decade into our existence. This is our head office. We are situated here in Muscat near Gubra region. Some of our associated companies are there. So Bhawan Engineering Company, it's engineering in construction. We do construction, we do trading, we represent global OEMs, around more than 135. We were the first company to be ISO certified in Oman. And we also are present into investment. So we are very much into PPP sectors, investments in water and power sectors in Oman. So this is just running, but we are ISO and ASME accredited company, some of our certifications. We are highly recognized for our HSE in Oman, as we operate in oil and gas sector as well. Some of the EPCs with whom we have worked, if you see, we have worked, if you see that entire map, it's right from Japanese EPCs to European EPCs to Koreans and American, including Bechtel. So some of the references. So our construction is our construction division is basically we have the verticals which the electrical and instrumentation. Then we have MEP. We have civil. So these are some of the examples that we are showing is only for let's say E&I. We cover more than 65% of the substation market in Oman, right from 32 kV to 400 kV in Oman. Some of very few local companies are actually certified and approved for the high electric voltage projects. Some of the MEP projects that we have done. So we cover industrial as well as non-industrial multiplex or complexes, we can say, commercial complexes that we have run here in Oman. So some of these snapshots for what we have been doing in oil and gas and power. We are mainly into upstream, but majority of our projects have done on the downstream sectors in oil and gas. So this is the civil what we have done in industrial sectors. So this was one of the Sohar seawater intake and return system where around 336,000 meter cube per day of water is taken through the channel, and we have a electrochlorination plant. So we chlorinate, and then this water is sent to all the industries in Sohar. So as I mentioned earlier, we do have our trading arm. So we trade in only industrial products, and some of these examples I am noting here: Carrier in air conditioning, Otis in elevators, Cummins in DG sets and gas engines. Some of the product lines of Siemens, ABB we represent. And not only we sell and supply, but we commission and give after sale services throughout the life cycle of these products. Because if you see, these are all industrial products which requires long term services, so it comes with long term services. So we have our division, we call it facilities management and maintenance, to take care of all the products. And our unit of FMM is present in industrial as well as non-industrial, like hospitals, banks, where 24/7 O&M services are required throughout Oman. So, well, so this was my
Thank you very
short
much.
and sweet presentation. So I will
Thank
just
you.
go to the final. Thank you. Thank you very much for giving us the
No,
opportunity.
no. Thank you very much, Bhavan Engineering Group, for this presentation. I'm giving the floor back to Mr. Dayanandan, who also has a PowerPoint presentation on what he had spoken just a while ago. Dayanandan, can you try bringing your PowerPoint
Yes,
first?
yes, we are doing it.
Yeah. See if you can finish in 3 minutes. That will be helpful.
Yeah.
And once Dayanandan finishes his presentation, we'll be resuming calling the other Omani companies who are already waiting. And finally, we'll be giving to the series of Indians. So your PowerPoint is yet awaited, Dayanandan.
Yeah,
You have to push your screen, and there, as an option, you have to up
just
your full
make
screen.
it,
Something like
I mean, screen bigger size.
we don't see anything, so we can see here. क्या हो सकता है? हाँ, now, yeah, now it is there. Correct. Good. Presentation is ready. Go ahead. Continue.
Yeah, next slide. What's what? Yeah,
Yes.
this is basically the products which Capexels promotes. We promote the mineral as well as non-mineral products. Under mineral products, we promote bulk minerals, natural, and then the natural stone products, processed minerals, and also we promote non-mineral products. Under construction products, we have, as I told you, the cement products. Then also we promote animal byproducts, auto tires, books, publications, ceramics, glass, graphite, explosives, accessories, miscellaneous chemical products, ocean and gelatin, which goes into the food products, and the pharma products, paint and coating products, paper, plywoods, and rubber products, which are also used in the construction products as a rubber products. Next screen, please. Next slide. These are some of the Capexel's export promotions programs. We do the promotion of various exhibitions. We participate with Indian exhibitors. We also organize reverse buy seller meet in India, and also we do the organize various interactive sessions, training programs, and seminars, and we do the represents exporters to the Indian government, and we do matchmaking business with overseas buyers to the Indian exporters. We closely works with various Indian missions abroad. We organize stakeholders consultations with Indian exporters as well as the overseas buyers requirement. We do various market research and sectoral reports for the overseas buyers as well as Indian exporters. Next. This is Capexel's overall exports to the Oman. The last year, our exports was 595 million, which is growing 15% for the last 2 years, which is started by 449 million in 2022-23. Next. This is the panel-wise, that the product-wise exports. The major products are being exported to the mineral products, processed mineral products, and then ceramics and bulk minerals. And you can see that we have reached 590 5 millions, and it is growing. The last year it is growing 29% growth compared to the 2023-24. Next. This is the current year's exports for the period April to February to Oman's Capexel's price. We have reached 423 million exports, all our 16 panel products, which is nearly 24% less compared to the last year. This is, as I said, maybe because of this West Asia crisis, because of the spike in the freight charges and insurance charges, and also the vessel shortage was there. That is because by these exports has been declined. These are some of the exports products declining from India to Oman. Mainly the processed mineral, the bulk mineral products, the iron ore, which is showing declining about 77%, and the other major products, aluminum ingots, not alloyed, it's declined by 57%. These are the major products actually being showing declining. Next. These are the top exports products from Capex from India. This is Capexil products, that is calcium alumina products, ceramic tiles, and mainly it is ceramic tiles, porcelain disc, and testliner, ilmenite, which is the mineral products, and paper products, bricks, shapes. These are some of the major products. We also export radial tires, salt, granite products, etc. Next. We also import, our imports from Oman is in fact very huge. We import somewhere around 697 million worth of goods from Oman. Majority of them are mineral products. We import from the Oman. In fact, we have a trade deficit. India has got a trade deficit with Capexil products with Oman. Yeah, next. These are the major products being imported from Oman: the iron ore, and then the natural gypsum, limestone, and dolomite, aluminum ingots, calcined petroleum coke, copper ores. Most of them are mineral products being imported from Oman. Yeah, next. That's all. And this is what I was saying is, all these products which are being exported from India, which attracts 5% import duty in Oman, and under this India-Oman SEPA, the Comprehensive Economic Partnership Agreement, the tariff is likely to reduce to 0% after implementation of the SEPA. So this is likely to result, the trade between India and Oman, minimum 10 to 15% growth in the coming days. So there is a huge opportunity for, increasing the trade between India and Oman, especially for construction products. So please, contact the Capexil for any business purpose. We will be happy to help you for the matchmaking business for you. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Dayanandan, particularly for the innovative methodology of asking your colleague to push PowerPoint slides as you spoke. Very well done. Thank you very much. Now we resume the series of the Omani presenters. Sonia, next.
Mr. Ashwin from Jindal Shadid.
Ashwin, Jindal Shahid, will again request if you can keep company level presentation to 2 minutes. Thank you.
Yes.
Ashwin,
Yeah, good afternoon, sir.
namaskar.
Namaskar.
When I say Omani companies, means companies based in Oman, because they are going to give the local flavor, and then we go back to the companies in India, from India, like that. Go ahead, Ashwin.
Yes, I'm sharing my screen. I hope it is visible and I'm audible.
Yes, it is.
Yeah,
Correct.
good afternoon,
Both.
good afternoon, His Excellency, and I'm really honored to present my company, Jindal Steel, Sohar, Oman, and good afternoon to everyone. We are the largest integrated steel complex in Oman, contributing around approximate 2% to Oman GDP. And we are a totally integrated from mine to finished products within recent commissioning of the pellet plant, 6 million ton annum capacity. We are totally integrated from mine to finished products in terms of rebar, DRI plant, steel making, and also we have certain specialized steel production in terms of cast rounds, which can be produced for seamless pipes, and other applications like wheel manufacturing for the railways, which we also have recently supplied to the Indian market in the south of India, where they're coming up with a new project for making the wheels for Vande Bharat. And also we have specialized wire rod mills in Sohar. And along with this capacity, we are also among the lowest carbon footprints, verified of zero point 0.7 tons per CO2, with around 3,000 tons, 3,000 workforce working in this location. And our sustainability is in alignment with the Oman 2040 vision. And 15 years of presence in Oman since 2010. And in this period, we have totally integrated the steel line from the ore to the final products of rebars, where you can see the latest commissioning is the pellet plant in November 2025, where we started with the DRI plant. So we have integrated the steel making value chain totally, where the inventory value also is added for the Oman. And in our product range, like I mentioned, the round billets, which are for seamless pipe manufacturing, majorly we are one of the major suppliers to Saudi Arabian markets, and rebars also for the local and export markets, and also specialized wire rod grades. Excuse me. Yeah. And also rebar in coil. So these are our product ranges, which we cater to majorly in the local and the markets in GCC and around MENA region as well. So in terms of innovation of the products, we have come up with certain new generation products, which would be highly value adding to the coastal area, mainly Oman and UAE, which are in the seismic range 2A, 2B. One is Jindal corrosion resistant steel, which are copper chrome added bars, which have been also salt spray tested and approved and designed for the coastal seismic and aggressive environments. JS600 having a good yield strength and also helping to reduce the amount of steel in the high-rise constructions. Jindal clean steel, since we have facilities to vacuum degas the steel, which can make it much more pure for long structural life and reliability. And eco steel, along with the product carbon footprint less than 1 kg of CO2. And all the international certifications, we have supplied our products to almost 6 continents. Yes.
If you are
Yes, sir.
still using your presentation, can you try pushing it back, because the other person has to push it down first, no? Okay. No, your presentation is gone out because somebody else tried to interrupt. So what I
Okay,
suggest is
sir.
that if you're using your presentation, just once again push it.
Okay, yeah. Okay. There was no message of it. Yeah, just a second.
Just as you had done in the beginning, if you can do it again.
I'm
So
doing
your
it, sir.
presentation
Just doing
bottom of
it.
the stage,
Yeah.
we'll resume from there.
So can you help me
Mine
with
will be-
this? Was this the
Yeah,
last
correct.
slide? Yeah,
No,
next
it's okay. Yeah,
generation.
this is a perfect. This is where you had disappeared. Yes, this is the one.
Yeah,
Go
okay.
ahead.
Yeah, so this was talking about the new generation product, which we are under approvals and also some certified and approved, like Jindal CRS has been approved, and we also go ahead with the first order for this. And these are the international certifications. We have almost the supplied products to some continents from Oman, and all required certifications are available with us for this supply of these products to these regions. Yes, being future ready for our greener world is very important, and it's very core in the sustainability vision of Oman as well. So on the same alignment, we are in continuous pursuit of reducing our carbon footprint. From 1.91, we have achieved 1.49. Along with that, we are also focusing on the water footprint and also the dust level emissions, which are much lower than the standards of Oman. So also trying to champion the local economy with procurement extended to over 590 SMEs. This is a snapshot of what's spent on the local vendors and the rebar retail business. I think this presentation will be available for you to check later. I will not dwell much on it. Just going on to the final part where community building is also a very core value for Jindal and where we want to empower the Oman's future by onboarding young Omani talent and building next generation of steel leaders in a structured internship and placements. And also we welcome youth from the Oman's Pioneer Summer programs for the visit. We try to do our best in terms of nurturing the young talent. Also, as I mentioned already before, aligning community goals with Oman 2040 vision, where sports and youth, community and elderly health, environmental sustainability, support and development of SMEs, and safe home construction practices form a core part of it. These are certain CSR activities also. The flagpole in Al Khair, I think, is one of the leading, now Oman's tallest flagpole project of 126 meters, which has a recent done, and also promoting youth and sports. We are the sponsors for the Jindal League, where we have signed an MOU with the OFA, where we are trying to do a bit in nation building. Also, encouraging sports activities in Oman, advancing hockey, and also sponsored the FIH Hockey 5S World Cup Olympic qualifiers here in Oman. And we try to do our best to engage a community inside a company and also outside by sponsoring public events like Shina's Heritage Festival, Soha Festivals, and Corporate Leadership Award was the recent which we received for our CSR activities. And also we have a Great Place to Work certified place. So that's all from our end. Thank you. Thank you for this opportunity.
Thank you, Ashwin. Thank you very much.
Mr. Kumar Mahadevan from Shapurji Palunji.
Kumar Mahadevan, Shapurji Palunji. Call next also, no? Achha, he's not responding.
Mr. Pavi Govind.
Pavi Govind. Pavi.
Mr. Rajesh Shah from Al Tasneem.
Rajesh Shah, Al Tasneem.
Hi, good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon. Please take 2 minutes,
I have-
Rajesh.
Yeah. Yeah, please. Sure.
Yeah, 2 minutes. Go ahead.
I'm just trying to share my screen. I don't know who. Yeah, okay.
It's a good idea. Yeah. Meanwhile, as they try to push the screen, let's read it out just to fill up some time. There are some inputs on the chat box, which we will read out as Shapurji Palanji. No, this is Al Tasneem tries to push their presentation. They're talking about geomembranes, DWC pipes, shade nets. So that is the strength area. This is Rajkumar Singh. Next. Here. Smarao.
Sorry, I'm
Smarao
not
Group,
getting the
leader
share screen.
in flooring
You
management,
somebody can
floor
help me.
manufacturing. Next. No, I think you use your video, no? Simply speak. Take 2 minutes.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Okay, fine. So good afternoon, everyone. So
Good afternoon.
I'm representing Al Tasneem Group. I'm here working as a General Manager, Resource and Strategy. Along with me, Mr. Kundan Singh. He is the Director for HR. So Al Tasneem Group we are a 55 years old conglomerate in Oman. We started our company in 1980. Now currently 25,000 plus employees and 56 locations. We are across the Oman, 6,000 and having a 6,000 plus fleet size. So we are currently working in the broad portfolio of civil construction, oil and gas, MEP, road and infra, mining, manufacturing, so almost everything under one roof. So we are a fully ISO certified company. Screen is visible. So currently we are working with the total 25,000 manpower strength, and having in that almost 3,000 plus Omani nationals are there. 46,000. We have the total. We have local 46 million plus SMEs and LCC awards are there. This is what the theme is about. We are one of the biggest employer in the Oman, and we are definitely looking forward any business opportunity. Anybody is suitable business opportunity, we are definitely interested in that.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you very
Rajesh.
much,
We
everyone.
know that Al Tasnim is one of the biggest EPC contracting firms in Oman, and your numbers also really are very impressive and persuasive. Thank you very much.
Mr. Damodar KT, Design Group. Design Group.
Damodar,
Yes, sir.
yep, go ahead.
So am I audible to all of you? Yeah.
Yes, yes, you are.
Let me share my screen.
They're also bidding something like Vantara here.
Yeah. Switched off. So let me share my screen, if you may allow me, please.
Give it time to push up. Meanwhile, let me call the next person.
Mr. Harshad
Can
Dada.
you?
Arshad Dad, finally you came. What happened, Katti? Go ahead. It was working now.
Yeah,
Go ahead.
the browser got shut off. Basically, I don't know what for. So can you hear me now, sir?
Yeah, it came for a while. It again disappeared. So you bring it back.
Yeah. So can you see the screen?
Yes, it is there now. Full screen. Go ahead.
All right. Yeah.
Continue.
Thank you very much, Your Excellency, and thanks to all the audience basically to hear me out. We are primarily, my name is Damodar. I'm the Managing Director at Design Group Engineering Consultants. We are one of the leading engineering consultancy firm in Oman, established in 2010, started with 2 people, and we are around 80 plus working in Oman itself, having branches in India, in US, in East Africa, and UAE as well. One of the key competence what we carry as part of our engineering is consultancy using a BIM as a technology, wherein we design everything in a three-dimensional manner using certain tools in terms of softwares and so on and so forth. So, which is actually called as building information and modeling, in short, BIM. So our journey has been quite steady in terms of what we actually do. We took over a company in 2012, which had a legacy of being in Oman for 40 years. With 80 people in place, we have done some of the major projects in Oman, wherein right from the Royal Opera House to border securities to industrial segment to the data centers. So that's the core competence which we actually carry, other than the institutional projects like universities and so on and so forth. As I said, BIM is something which we actually use quite extensively. We have actually done projects which are top-down construction, wherein the roof gets constructed first and the ground last. Those are the innovative engineering what we actually bring on the table when we design something, including the sustainability element into that. So we are an ISO certified company. We follow a certain system and process quite well integrated with respect to the engineering which need to be done with. In terms of some of the key projects, the Royal Opera House, the complete MEP design was actually done by us, including the phase one for the phase one. And for phase two, we were actually called in exclusively to design the phase of the Royal Opera House. The bridge which actually connects between the two was also designed by us in terms of structural as well as MEP design. We have done many projects, mixed use development, quite innovative projects, primarily hospitality projects, as you see on the screen. In Uganda, we have done a five-star hotel as well. Institutional wise, we do a lot of community schools as well as the international schools. We are one of the data center accredited company in Oman, wherein we actually design data centers which are tier 4, tier 3 in category, which are of the highest level of hyperscale and AI based data centers as well. In terms of industrial, we are the leading consultants. We work with all the ports, the free zones, and the dry ports as well. We understand the logistics quite well in terms of 3PLs and 5PL and 7PL. Logistic warehousing, right from transshipment logistics, is something which we do in-house as in capability. So in terms of sustainabilities and so on and so forth as well. So some of these are the projects which I am actually showcasing it to you, right from food industries and so on. So we have been awarded for the last 6 years as the best engineering consultancy firm in Oman for the innovative stuff which we actually bring on the table. We have done one of the biggest ceramic tile manufacturing plant in Sur, which is Al Hail Ceramics, now taken over by Al Mahar Ceramics as well. So these are some of the projects which we do, in terms of infrastructure and so on and so forth. So in short, this is what we wanted to present today, Your Excellency. And then thank you so much for this opportunity.
Thank you. Thank you, Damodar.
Mr. Harshad Dada, Sojek Suman.
Arshad,
Mr. Chingappa.
Chingappa,
Voltas Tata Group.
Voltas. Now we're going to India.
No, Voltas
Here.
is here.
Voltas, based in Oman. Voltas.
He was there.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Okay.
I'm
Good afternoon.
Amit Avde, who is representing Voltas Oman.
Yep,
So
go
Voltas
ahead.
Oman
Amit.
is, Amit Avde. So Voltas Oman is a branch of our Voltas, which is in India. And we have been operating in Oman for the last 40 years. Our field of expertise is MEP construction and infrastructure construction, all MEP. We have also been into irrigation and landscaping, as well as wastewater treatments. So one of our few good projects which we have done is we have done Oman Data Center project. Then we have done Oman Across Ages Museum. The Sohar STP was one of our biggest projects which we did in wastewater treatment plants. Outside Oman, also we have got footprints in UAE, Bahrain, Qatar. There we are majorly doing green energy projects, and we would like to bring that expertise to Oman as well. So if anyone is there, we would be the preferred contractors. Apart from that, in India, we also have got manufacturing of chillers, which is being used widely in Oman. So we would also like to get into that segment of supplying chillers to various projects in Oman, and anyone can contact us, and we can take ahead from there. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you very much, Voltas Daude.
Mr. Hitesh from KR Infra.
Hitesh, KR Infra.
P. Anil Kumar, Suhail Group of Companies.
Anil Kumar, Suhail Group.
Ramesh Patel, Image Muscat International.
Ramesh Patel.
Mr. Sean, Grand Automobile.
Hi, good
Sean.
afternoon.
Yeah, Sean, go ahead.
Am I audible?
Yes.
Okay. So just a minute. Let me just put my. I'm trying to share my presentation, but it's not working.
Yeah. While you do that, let's again try reading whatever messages are there on the chat box as Sean brings up his presentation. Yeah. Rack windows and doors. Okay, next.
Yes, sir. Shall I present?
No. अबे Sean बोल रहा है ना, Sean करेगा पहले. Reflex machinery equipments race. And they have all sorts of rebar processing solutions.
Is it
Yeah, now
visible
your
now? My
presentation is on.
presentation.
Yeah. Go
All
ahead.
right.
Sean.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Hi, my name is Sean, and I'm the general manager of a company called Grand Auto. We are based in Barka, Kazai, and we've been in the industry for the past about 20 years. For about 15 years, we were part of the Zubair group, and then we moved out and started on our own, and it's been now 4 years. We began as a humble beginning in the new phase around 1,000 square meter space, and then we have presently come into a 5,000 square meter area. Now, our industry is quite niche because we are into customization of vehicles like fire engines, ambulances, mobile caravans, mobile offices, hospitals, anything on wheels. We do that, and our customers are mostly government as of now. Why I spoke about our recent changes because we are now looking to sort of expand our business, and I believe the current SEPA agreement between India and Oman actually helps us because we're looking at further exposure to from India. We know there are a lot of established industries, established companies in India who do similar jobs to ours, and we were looking for joint ventures with them, and also sort of trying to build up a base in Oman, wherein they can further export finished products to other countries like Africa and other GCC countries. So these are some of the works that we do, as you can see from the slides, mostly into ambulances and caravans, and then we've recently moved into camping vehicles, fire trucks, and now recently into government sectors. I just quickly show some of the works we do, and right now what we're doing, this present works going on. They're all government based, and our present clients, as I show here, is almost all government. But we are looking to expand to more of private sector, and this is where we are looking for your help, for your sort of expertise as well, for your connections to improve further. Thank you so much. It was a wonderful time.
Thank you, Sean. Now we have finished all the one more.
Mr. Rohan Chauhan.
Rohan. Okay. Now we go to the Indian companies who have been patiently waiting. Request everyone to take 2 minutes max so that we conclude also early and do not delay too much. India.
Ara Engineering.
Ara Engineering.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes.
Ara Engineering?
No, that is Rohan Chauhan, sir.
Rohan Chauhan?
Yeah.
No, this is Rohan.
Yes. Your microphone is very, very wavy. What's your name?
Rohan Chauhan. Am I audible
Rohan,
now?
speak into the microphone. Your voice is very soft. Go ahead. 2 minutes. Rohan Chauhan, go ahead.
Okay.
Your video is not visible. If you kindly unmute your video so that we see you. Good. Now we see you.
Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
I'm gonna share my presentation now. Okay, I added it in. Is it visible?
Not yet. No. Okay, as usual, just try to bring the while Rohan tries to struggle. Let's come down to see what people have said. There's a Vastu Ved consulting engineers believe in holistic approach, 3D modeling, etc. Beam, as they say, no, building information models. Next. Yeah, we have home tiles, the tiles, porcelain tiles. Okay, next. Good. No, I'm just reading. People will be able to read all these PowerPoints and also the chat. They
Sir,
suggest
I'm
some
not able to
loaded
share
into.
my slide.
Okay, you speak.
Rohan, then speak. You already got half a minute, so 1 minute and a half. Please do go ahead. Whatever you have to say about your company, go ahead.
Okay, okay. So actually, I have a trading company. I established it in Muscat in 2023, and right now I'm looking into all the general products and goods that are available for import and export all around Muscat and India. I started with automotive parts, like spare parts and accessories, into yeah, and then I developed it into a distributorship here based in Wadi Kabir area. Now I'm currently just looking into trading general products. I want to expand my horizon, so I'm looking into expanding my product base. So currently, I am having a trading and import and export license here in Muscat, and I'm willing to help out the local business over here by bringing in Indian products in Muscat, which are because it's mostly costly for normal products to just land up in Oman. So I'm looking for ways to make it cheaper to bring Indian products here in Muscat. Currently, I am looking into more supplies with India. I have supplies from India and Oman both, and I'm willing to even export from Oman. And yeah, that's my presentation. Thank you so much.
Good.
Yeah.
Wow.
Mr. Suresh from Arkan Logistic, please talk.
Suresh Sampanna from logistics company. Keep it very brief, Suresh. I know you have a lot to speak, but not more than 2 minutes. Suresh Sampanna. Sohar Logistics. No, what? What's that?
Arkan Logistics.
Arkan Logistics. Suresh Sampanna, you're not there? Then we continue with the Indian company. Bolo, go ahead.
Koval Engineering Solution. Koval, sir. Koval.
Oval Engineering Solutions. No, I think Suresh Sampanna is back. Suresh, you want to conclude your point quickly? Suresh Sampanna. We see you. Unmute. Unmute first. No, unmute first. We cannot hear you. Okay, we'll get back to him later. Next.
Yeah.
Atlantic Polymers
Can
Private
you
Limited.
Atlantic. Atlantic. Okay, Suresh Sampanna, go ahead.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm sharing my
2
screen.
minutes, please.
Is my screen visible?
Not yet. Let's see. No.
Slow.
It's not visible. If you want, you guys first, but you have only pulled up on your computer. It's
Yeah.
not coming here.
This one, sir.
There's some.
Now.
It's not
Now?
visible. So you are going to. Yeah. It's
Visible
visible.
now?
Make it full screen first. And your earlier point is already known to us. So therefore, do not repeat. At least highlight 2 minutes.
Yeah.
Go ahead. Arkan.
Yeah. Very quickly,
Full screen first.
thanks to the ambassador, thanks to the embassy team. I presented this yesterday as well, and then we would be a support function while you are all busy with your main core business activities. We would be the ones to move in all your products in and out of Oman, right? So we would do the first mile as well as the last mile. We have the capabilities. We have our offices in UAE, KSA, Africa, China. And here in Oman, we are based in Sohar, Muscat, and in Dukum, right? Very well trained. We have all the facilities. Yeah, these are all some of the certifications that we have, which we can. Yeah, this is an important slide which you can look at. Why we say that we can do the complete customized package for you. We are into freight forwarding, container freight station. We have our own container freight station
We are based in the Sohar port. We have the bonded warehouse as well as the free zone, right? We can do the custom clearance. We have our own custom clearance team. We can do the break bulk, on-dock services, land transportation, yeah, and distribution as well. A complete supply chain we can give you, cargo inspection, yeah, port handling, and we are also on the NVOC. We can arrange the vessels for you all if it is a very large cargo too. This is our team, yeah. Some of our break bulk activities, what we're showing, container freight station. Yeah, we have a large warehouse, right? We can manage all your cargoes that is coming in, temporarily store, and then we can distribute it to your final destinations. Yeah, we have our own set of fleet, so we can manage all your cargoes. We also have the port handling services, bunkering activities, yeah, both in Dukum, Sohar, as well as in Port Sultan Qaboos. We can do the bunkering activities for you all. Yeah, cargo inspections. This is our warehouse. I will skip this for like interest of time. Yeah, I will just cut it short. This is a container freight station. Yeah, these are a couple of our business partners. We also with the ministry and yeah, some of our partners, customers from the oil and gas. This is our new facility, I mean, a 25,000 square warehouse that we are building in the free zone, and this is being supported by our design engineering Damodar Katti. Yeah, and we have signed it up. It is already in progress. Very soon it will be ready. In the next 6 months, we are expecting to get it commissioned and running in the next 6 months' time. So we have ample space, so we can support the traders in and out of Oman. This is the location where we are. Yeah, this shows the location. We are very close to the port, very strategically located. Yeah. This is the presentation that I had done for the yesterday, that is for the vegetables and agricultural producers and logistic support. Yeah. Target sectors. Yeah, these would be our target sectors: FMCG and retail goods, fresh products. Yeah, pharmaceutical. Our warehouses are equipped to even take the pharmaceutical products. Yeah. Yeah. So what we would like to say is, yes, we are here to stand up and then provide services for both people from India as well as from Oman who want to move their goods in and out of Oman and then to local countries. I mean, surrounding countries here, UAE, Saudi. Yeah, please do consider us, and then we are here. Yes, sir. This is all that I had to say.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thanks to the Indian Embassy team and to the ambassador. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, Sampanna. Thank you very much.
Mr. Najneen Proprietor Company.
Hmm.
Najneen Proprietor Company.
Nazneen. Nazneen.
Mr. Manish Kiri from Kiri Industries.
Manish Kiri.
Mr. Abdul Hakim from Reliflex Machinery and Equipments.
Abdul Hakim.
Yeah, hi
Abdul.
everyone. It's
Yeah,
not
Abdul,
Abdul,
go
it's Adnan. I'm Adnan here, not Abdul.
Okay, Adnan, yes.
Yeah, Adnan, go ahead.
Yeah, so I'll just share my presentation. Just give me 1 minute.
This is the first Indian, no?
I hope everyone is able to view the presentation, correct?
Still the folder, the Explorer दिख रहा है, presentation तो आया नहीं ऊपर. You have to bring it up. At least here we see your Explorer. So you have to
One
click the
second.
document, open it up. Adnan Shabir. Okay. Reflex Machinery. It's a California-based company. CA, Palo Alto. CA. What is CA? Chartered accountant. Okay. Yeah.
I
Make it
guess
full
someone
screen.
else is having the
Yes.
sharing, and that is the reason I'm not able to share it.
Who is this? Can you? Somebody else is this reflex is not yours? Reflex?
Suresh Sampanna.
नहीं नहीं वो तो खत्म हो गया आपका आ रहा है डोंट वरी योर स्क्रीन इज
Now you're
विजिबल
able to see the screen, right?
we see your screen reflex
Yeah.
correct
So
go ahead
yeah, first of all, I would like to thank you, thank to the embassy and the embassy ma'am, Sonia ma'am, and everyone there that today I've been given this opportunity on this platform. And I'm Adnan representing Reliflex Machinery and Equipments Private Limited. We are the manufacturers of construction machinery in Bangalore, and we manufacture all types of construction machineries like for rebar or for flooring or building constructions. And we are into this industry since 2011, and we have been exporting these machines from India to almost 22 plus countries. And we have got our database of customers from different countries like Saudi Arabia, Dubai, Oman, and in South America, we have Chile and Colombia. In America, we have Florida, we have New York, we have different segments to cater to. As well as in Oman, we have been selling and we have been promoting and providing our machinery as solutions to multiple construction companies. And basically, this is a small catalog where we what all machineries we are into. We are into multiple machineries of building constructions, and as well as we are into machineries for road constructions, airports, or runways, or you can call any warehouses and everything, wherein we specialize in multiple machineries like concrete mixers, batching plants, and we specialize in concrete vibratory pavers, rebar benders, rebar cutters, and road rollers, concrete pumps. So this is basically some machineries, if you see, in which we are the manufacturers of rebar machinery. And rebar machinery, we have rebar benders and rebar cutters getting manufactured in India. And all the spare parts what we use to manufacture these machines are globally sourced from global suppliers like Schneider, Siemens, and the motors or the engines which we use are also very much available in international markets. And all our machines go with international warranties. So the machines whichever are available in market from our side has always got go through when there is any downtime, like you get the spare parts are easily available in the local markets and international markets, and all the motors and all the internal mechanical spare parts also we make sure that they are on the international standards, so that when the machine is sold in international market the downtime is not much. Going ahead with after sales and services also, we do have more than 1,200 dealers across globe, which help us in supporting our after sales market. So it makes very prominent in international market where the after sales service is a very big question mark for manufacturers. We do have manufacturing as well as we have our dealers who support our machines after sales services, as well as the component suppliers also being globally sourced. They have the international service centers in almost all the countries, so they support for the after sales. We do specialize in laser mechanical screeds. Laser mechanical screeds are basically nothing but professional equipment to uh, have a professional and layered floor using laser equipments. So we manufacture and we assemble these machines using all international spare parts again. And the engines and motors are sourced from companies like Honda, Brixton, Kohler, or Yanmar, which are again international standard companies. And they have been in this industry since very long time. So, what is a laser screed? A laser screed is a machine which helps you do tree mix flooring, a professional flooring. And this machines in India, we manufacture, we assemble here in Bangalore, and we have been successfully deploying these machines in international markets. And we do have customers who have been using our machines in Oman also right now. So basically, this was a short presentation. Do connect me with construction companies or the companies who are reselling machines or who are utilizing these machines in market, so we can have a progressive business talks further. Thank you.
Thank you, Anand. Thank you very much.
Rack windows and doors.
Rack
Yes, ma'am.
window. Yes, go ahead. Yeah, Rashida, go ahead.
Yeah, I'll share. I hope this is visible.
Not yet. Let's wait.
Yeah. Yeah.
Still
So
no sign still. Presentation नहीं दिख रहा है. आप बोलना है तो बोलते जाइए आप. We can't see, no, Mrinal? No presentation
I
yet.
have shared my screen.
Latency. Okay. Meanwhile, you speak, but she needs that feedback. No, let me read out. Meanwhile, anything homely से पढ़ चुके हैं, नीचे जाओ. ये सब पढ़ चुके हैं. लोहेती from विजय. अभी तक नहीं आया. रुक जाओ आप ना थोड़ी देर के लिए. Let's watch. And this, hi everyone, Rushikesh Lahoti, building materials sector. Next is Sajjan Singh from construction material again, steel, cement, light, weight, blocks. Next. AR Mines Industries. They are into manganese dioxide powder and granules, iron ore, natural quartz powder, cement products like masonry. That's all, no? No, I think you have to quickly now make do without a presentation.
Yeah,
Presentation is
I
not
hope
coming
now
up. Go
this
ahead,
is
speak.
visible. Yeah.
Just speak now,
So,
Rashida. 2 minutes
yeah.
maximum.
Yeah. So, see, we are into RAK Windows is into soundproof manufacturing of soundproof windows and doors, and till date we had catered to hotels,
Rashida,
5-star
your
hotels.
your
Yeah.
presentation. Rashida,
Yeah.
your presentation is the one which is coming up now. RAK.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, we are able to see it, so you can use it 2 minutes from now. Go ahead.
Sure, sure. Yeah, thank you so much. So we have overall experience of 15 years, and we have tried our best to provide, soundproof solutions with the best, cost-effective products and eco-friendly products. And till date, catered, residential projects, esteemed residential projects, hospitals, and 5-star hotels, and benefits of this is it saves energy bills, which it's a lead free product, corrosion proof, highly secured, weather resistant, most importantly, and fire resistant. So recently we had uh, you know a case wherein there was a fire breakout, but because this window was installed, it was not spread in the entire flat, so it saved a lot of life. And our clients we have catered, these are our clients. And apart from those windows, we also do with products which are associated with windows like UPVC fins, which helps to not only elevate and enhance the elevation, but it's also very good in the functionality. Yeah, so this is just all about us. We would like to connect to people who are doing the projects in Oman. If we can help them to you know in a best way to enhance their product and help them to give the best in their elevations, because this product is in both ways. It's helpful in functionality as well as in aesthetic. So these are our contact details, and we have a sister concern in Dubai and Oman as well. So yeah, looking forward to connect you all.
Thank you very much. You could finally bring your presentation also up. Yes, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Protect Pro safety gears.
Protect. Protect.
Hello. Yes.
Yeah.
Hi. Good evening, sir. Hello.
Namaskar.
Namaskar, sir.
Protect.
Pardon, sir. Actually, my camera got some issues. It's not working. So, is my
No,
screen
your
is visible
presentation
right
is
now?
coming up good. And
Thank you,
others, I
sir.
think you have to mute here. Mridal, somebody is having a microphone open. Just see if you can. Yeah. Okay, now you can go ahead, Protect Pro. Your presentation is also up and running. 2
Thank you, sir.
minutes. Go ahead.
Sure, sir. Good evening, respected dignitaries, representatives from Embassy of India and Oman, and esteemed participants. It's a privilege to be the part of this platform, and thank you very much for the opportunity. I am here to present Protect Pro by Mamuji Overseas LLP, a brand built over an 80 years of business legacy focused on industrial safety solutions. Oman's infrastructure momentum continues to grow, driven by large-scale engineering and construction activities. So behind the scenes are a workforce that makes all it possible. With that, safety becomes a shared responsibility. Now, delivering safety at a scale requires more than products. It requires consistency, trust, reliability, and much more things. So, the right partner doesn't just supply the support operations, they support operations every single day. So, this is what we are building at Protect Pro. 80 years of legacy built on consistency, quality, and trust. We are focused on safety solutions, demanding for every environment in global requirements. So, our products are tested where performance is not optional, but they are critical. From oil fields of UAE to mining and safari operations from Africa. So, as our tagline says, we are built for the toughest jobs. So, what we do the best? We are providing high performance safety footwears that are built for durability and perfect comforts. We are also delivering PPE solutions, and we are also serving custom OEM solutions for the company's specific needs. We have a huge manufacturing facilities. The numbers are shown. We produce 1500 pairs of safety shoes in daily production, and there are other numbers for other PPEs products. So we are also certified with all international safety standards that are also Omanian standards, and as well as all global safety standards. We are dealing with all safety certified products. So we are trusted collaborators, and we are looking for great distributors which can supply for all consistent supplies, product aligned to the global standards. We would be transparent, collaborative, and we will focus on long-term growth. So very warm thank you. We are looking forward to build safety together, and thank you for this opportunity again, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Protect Pro.
MH Windows and Decor.
MH.
Yeah,
MH Windows and doors.
Epic Elevators Private Limited.
Epic.
Epic. Sir.
Epic.
From TVS
Good evening,
Motors.
everyone. Good evening, everyone. I'm just sharing my presentation.
Yeah, Epic, Nidhi from Epic. Go ahead.
Yeah. My presentation is.
It's
Uh,
good.
can
Visible.
you
Go
see
ahead.
my presentation?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Good evening, everyone. I'm representing Epic Elevator. Uh, this is my factory, which is we have the largest manufacturing into India right now, and we are from 2015, and we are focused not just to manufacture the elevators, but on the engineering intelligent mobility solution. So we'll just go through the video, what facility we have.
The idea was clear. Elevators, escalators, car stackers, complex custom deals, all under one roof. Hi, myself Hiren Batani, CMD of Epic Elevators Private Limited. And I am Yog Chaudhary, Director at Epic Elevators Private Limited. We started Epic 10 years ago with one simple belief. If something can be ordinary, we will make it extraordinary. From day one, promise ourselves we never settle for anything less than exceptional in engineering, in safety, and in the experience we deliver. Epic began as a design, and today it's a commitment to build elevators that truly elevates. Make it Epic Elevators. Create a place that can handle the future of.
So now I'll be talking about facilities and everything. So deliver more than thousands, 1,000 successful projects, and we a strong presentation across residential, commercial, and industry sector. 50% trust.
Voice is breaking off. So make it quickly, conclude in 10 seconds because we are not able to hear you well.
Hello.
Just move the slide, we will see it
Well,
and
sir?
we'll move forward. हाँ, आपकी आवाज
Okay.
नहीं आ रही है
So
कट के आ रही है हाँ, ऐसे दिखाइए स्लाइड दिखा दीजिए बस आगे चलाइए हाँ
okay.
move the slides.
So we are into different kind of panels which we are delivering into our elevators. What we are offering is and saving the energy. We are into low maintenance. And we can deliver a product which
हमारा प्रॉब्लम है क्या हमारा प्रॉब्लम है
our reputed.
निधि पैची वॉइस था आपका so we understood we got the flavor we are seeing the screens thank you very much please bear with us because the voice is too patchy to be continued.
Thank you, sir.
No, so nice of you, but we could get the grip and you already have captured a lot of market here. I understand that. Good way to go. Good luck to you for future.
Mr. Prasad KV
you
from
so much.
TVS Motors.
Thank you, Nidhi. Prasad now. Prasad. TVS Motors, TVS Motors, Prasad. Wait, at least acknowledge, otherwise I'll move forward. If you're hearing me out, हमारा problem है क्या? I want to try it first.
Mr. Yashwant Pal, Ashok Leyland.
Yashwant Ashok Leland. As I take your name, please first quickly acknowledge by unmuting so that I know that you have heard. Otherwise, we will, in the interest of time, move forward. Yashwant, TVS Motors.
Mr. Manoj Gupta, Ecofuel EV.
Manoj Gupta. Okay, just to test that we are totally not out of it. Let me see. Anybody wants to say something now? Open round. Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Anyone?
Hello, apologies. I missed my turn earlier. May I take a minute to
Hold on.
introduce?
Hold on. Rajesh from OPEC. Rajesh?
Yes, Rajesh.
Go ahead.
Yes. I am Mr. Rajesh Konsagra from OPEC Ceramic.
Okay, continue.
Okay. I am just sharing my screen. Oh. Good evening, everyone.
See, make it full screen.
Make it full screen.
लेफ्ट का खा रहा ना जगह फालतू का, नेट से तो नहीं चलेगा लगता है। नेट से लगा रहे हैं क्या अपने? स्लाइड शो है ये तो गड़बड़ है ना। चलिए चलाइए काम इससे। आपका आधा स्क्रीन खराब हो गया लेकिन काम चलाइए इससे, क्या करेंगे? गो अहेड, कंटिन्यू।
Okay, is it visible or not? Hello.
Visible.
Okay.
You can go ahead, please.
Okay, I am Mr. Rajesh Kansagra from OPEC Ceramic. We are manufacturer of ceramic sanitary ware like toilet, basin and sink. At OPEC Ceramic, we specialize in manufacturing high quality sanitary ware. This is our product catalog and currently we are already exporting to Oman and this exposure help us to understand diverse and market requirement and customer expectation. Our objective is to further strengthen our presence in Oman by building long-term partnership with importer, wholesaler, and project-based company. We offer flexible in product range customization. I would be glad to connect individually with anyone interested in exploring business opportunity together. So this is our product catalog. I just a minute. I am. You can see this.
Okay. Thank you, Rajesh. Really appreciate. Thank you very much.
Okay,
Very
thank you,
fast,
thank you,
efficient,
thank
very well done.
Anyone from Galpar, India?
Next.
L&T India? Epcons India?
Once again, we have one hand raised, so let's give the floor to them. HPL Electric and Power. Go ahead. Show your video, Pallavi.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much.
Your video is not visible. Your PowerPoint is yet to come. Correct the two and move forward. नहीं चल रहा है आपका, क्या हो गया भाई? वीडियो तो कम से कम ऑन कर दो पल्लवी, बोलना तो शुरू करो।
Yes, sir. We are just doing it.
We'll get her again later. क्या बोल रही हो, नहीं बोल रही? आपका नहीं आ रहा, तो वीडियो आ रहा है ना, कुछ स्क्रीन आ रहा है आपका, तो आई थिंक यू हैव टू सेट योर थिंग राइट। Let's move for next.
Kia International.
Kia. Okay. With that, we conclude the entire series. Anybody who wants to now take the floor, please do raise your hand. Who has not taken the floor earlier now? Anyone? हाँ,
Yes.
पल्लवी तुम्हारा I think avoid playing videos. Videos is overloading and stuffing and making it patchy. No videos. If you have only video, better speak only. Videos won't work. And anyone else besides? Yeah, this is a PowerPoint. Make it full screen. Okay, na? ठीक है. Put
Yes.
HPL बोलना.
As yeah, we HPL, we are the manufacturer of wires and cables, metering and protection devices, lightning and solar energy. So this is our business overview. As we are the 1500 crore turnover company, and we are taking around 240 million of market in India, even as well as in export. We are we have 7 state of art manufacturing facilities, and also we are the second biggest leader manufacturer of smart meters, panel meters in India, including all the uh, other suppliers. And this is all things that we have. We are in metering, international switch, industrial switch gears, domestic switch gears, solar, lightning, and wires and cables and fans. So as we also participate in exhibitions and all, and we are also we has all the certification and quality certificates, and we are all ISO approved, and KIMA. And this is the glimpse that that our industries have. We have 7 manufacturing plant, as this is the panel meter and smart meter industry factory in Gurgaon. And this is the also meter manufacturing production facility. And this is our MCB and modular switch gear factory. And as we are also in LED and luminaries of solar lightning, this is the production facility that we have. And this is the wires and cables facility. This is the presence of export presence that we have all over the world, as we are exporting around 40 plus countries. So right now we are also taking advantage of working with Oman market. So we are looking for it. Thank you so much, sir. So as we
No,
are trusted to do business in Oman for the product basket, for any inquiries and discuss, I have shared my contact in the below reference in the message box. Thank you, Embassy in India, for this platform.
Just Kamalana.
Oh, no, thank you very much. Very nicely done. We got a very good view of your strength, your vast reach within the country and also across the globe. Congratulations. Hopefully, you will either scale up or enter into Omani market. Thank you. Anybody else who is ready, please raise your hand so that I can only call now, because our list of state. Yeah, I'll go in that order as they raise the hand. Arman, followed by Tina, followed by Sajjan. Sajjal. Devanand, Mohnish, in that order. But first, Arman. Go ahead, Arman Bankli. Arman, at least acknowledge by responding, by unmuting and speak. Otherwise, I'll have to move forward then. Arman, unmute. Okay. Tina, Mittal.
Hello. Can you hear
Yes,
me?
Tina.
Yeah, I can
Yes.
hear you. Yeah. So hi, sir.
And very good. We see you. You want to make presentation, speak. Take 1 minute because this is a last minute round. You want to make a
Yeah.
presentation? Okay, bring it up quick and go ahead.
No, we just wanted to speak. So we just wanted to talk. So we are, I'm from Nova Foamworks. We manufacture patented plastic foamwork systems in India, and we've been exporting outside of India as well. And I just wanted to sort of raise awareness about our product and its uses because we're replacing plywood and steel in construction. That's ensuring that the construction projects get delivered on time because we're saving time on and money on both labor and also initial costs for the construction projects. So it's a new system that's made entirely out of plastic, and since it's better for the environment as well in terms when you're comparing it to plywood. You can use it for over 100 times compared to a plywood
What
that
do
you
you
can use only
make?
in a second.
Tina, what do you make? Plywood replacement made of plastic?
Yes, yes, plywood and steel replacements in formwork and shuttering systems, basically.
एकदम गड़बड़ बोल रहे हो टीना तुम। बोल अच्छा रहे, कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है। धीरे धीरे बोलो, बनाते क्या हो?
So we manufacture plastic formwork systems or shuttering systems. So we are replacing plywood and steel uses in construction. So when we're using panels to shape the concrete on site, so we're replacing that to be used as with plastic instead of plywood or steel.
Understood. Thank you very much. Really appreciate.
Mr. Sajjan. Mr. Sajjan?
Yeah, hi. How are you? Am I
Sajjan Singh.
audible?
Yep, you are audible. Go ahead.
Yes, I'll just take 30 seconds and I would like to introduce my company. I'm Sajan Singh Hira from Hira Construction Company. And first of all, I would like to thank you. I would like to thank the Embassy of India in Muscat for inviting me to this meeting. And we are into construction material supply, majorly into steel, cement, roofing, and lightweight blocks. I'm the third generation in this business, and we've got clients like developers, builders, electrical companies. We've supplied a lot of construction material to them, and yes, we are looking forward to collaborate with the delegates present here. Once again, thank you. I'm Sajan Singh Hira from Hira Construction Company, a building material supplier. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Next is Mr. Devanand. He was raising the hand.
Madam, yeah, good evening, everyone. Am I audible?
Yes.
I'll quickly share my screen. I'm representing a local group called Mohsin Haider Darwish. Is my screen visible?
Not yet. But you can continue speaking. Maybe it will come
Yeah.
sometime. But when it comes, I'll tell you. Go ahead.
Yeah, please. We are part of a local Omani group called Mohsin Haider Darwish, and we are in various sectors, basically as a distributor for automotives, for infrastructure, consumer solutions, building materials, technology, various things, and we have other group companies as well. When we get it is currently headed. It was founded by Mr. Mohsin Haider Darwish, and his family is now running this business. We are a 50-year-old company in Oman. We'd like to have. We are already associated with many Indian companies. We'd like to strengthen that further. Thank you.
Thank you, Devanand. Please, Devanand, please do convey my regards to Madam Darwish.
Sure, sir.
Thank you. Thank you
you.
very much.
Monish Sharma, sir.
Monish Sharma. Mohinish Sharma. And that's the only hand we have raised. Anybody else? No. So others can also queue up, but Mohinish Sharma now. Go ahead, Mohinish.
Yes, sir.
Show your video.
This is Mohinish
More power.
Sharma, and
We can't
I'm
see.
from Kalpataru Projects International Limited. And
Mohinish
we
अपना
are in.
अरे मोहनीश चेहरा तो दिखाओ भाई.
Sure. Yeah, right here.
Go ahead.
Yes, sir. So can I show us a small presentation within 1 minute? That's okay with you?
Go ahead. Yes, sure. Bring it up. Your video is outstanding. So should be the PowerPoint too. Let's see. At least
Okay.
very well lit up place of Kalpataru, I believe. Yeah. But meanwhile, speak. Maybe your screen will never
Yeah,
come
sure.
because the past Mohsin Darwish
No
also
problem.
could
No
not.
problem.
Devanand also
Yeah.
had difficulty.
So
Yeah,
We are a
PowerPoint is
40-year-old
on.
EPC company.
Your
Yes.
PowerPoint is on. Use it. Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah. Sir, we are a 40-year-old EPC company. We do EPC projects in 6 sectors: in oil and gas, then buildings and factories, power transmission, urban infrastructure, water, and railways. We are a listed company on the stock exchange, and with the last year turnover of $2.6 billion, with the order backlog of $7.5 billion. And we're a reputed company in India. We're considered the second largest listed EPC company in India, you can say that, having presence in 75 countries across the globe. And in Middle East itself, like we are present in Saudi Arabia, we are in UAE, we are approved by international oil companies like ADNOC and Saudi Aramco, and we are doing a $1.1 billion job for Saudi Aramco for their master gas expansion, consisting of 800 kilometers of oil and gas pipeline. And this is the dynamic leadership. Mofathraj Munut is our chairman and founder. Parag Munut is second generation promoter, and rest is the other directors of the company. And these are the sectors in which we work, like power transmission, distribution, oil and gas, buildings and factories. And this is our order book of like for last 5 years, from $3.8 billion to $7.5 billion. And we are actually looking for an opportunity to work in Oman as well. And we have a registered company in Oman as well. And if we talk about in oil and gas, we have executed more than 11,500 kilometers of oil and gas pipeline till date. And we are also into refineries and petrochemicals also, in the EPC of refinery and petrochemicals. And these are our engineering softwares. In procurement, like we do more than 680,000 tons per annum of cement procurement, more than 150,000 tons per annum of reinforcement, and 210,000 tons per annum of structural steel procurement for our own internal EPC projects. So these are the various our asset-based photographs. Basically, we own our own construction equipment banks, and we have a good presence in Middle East, as that's what we are telling you, and like to work in Oman as well. So these are the photographs, like from Saudi Aramco, the MSG3 project which you're doing, then other pipeline projects across India and Abu Dhabi also, where we have worked for ADNOC. These are the plant projects, the J3 petrochemical plant project which we did for Reliance Industries Limited. This is your central gas gathering station for Oil India Limited in Assam, where we have worked on EPC basis and operated the plant for 3 years also. This is a gasoline desulfurization unit which we did in Assam for Bonbego refinery for IOCL along with Technip. This is the photograph critical lift of 54-meter tall column which we executed. This is the BPCL LPG import terminal project which we did for BPCL in Haldia in West Bengal. Then this is the one which we're doing for same debottlenecking of the LPG terminal in BPCL in Uran in Maharashtra. This is the Mangalore refinery project where we did the PFCC scrubber unit for the FCC unit in Mangalore refinery. This is a electrical system revamp project for ONGC in Hazira, where we did the revamp of their existing substation because they went in a drought because of water. So we constructed the new floor and installed new panels and commissioned it. This is Brahmaputra Cracker Complex project again in Assam. And other industrial projects, like we are also into metallurgy, wherein we have done a rolling mill plant for NLMK India. Then this is the one which we're doing for NMDC, the iron ore processing plant. Then another project for NMDC screening plant in Donamalai, Karnataka. This is the Mongol refinery project. We were awarded a $100 million job as early civil works package with Mongol refinery, which is an investment of government of India in Mongolia. These are the various thermal power plants which we executed, civil structural works. This is the Goa shipyard. It's a collapsible yard where it can decrease and increase the size depending on the size of the ship. And other are basically other your chemical plants and your scooter plants, automobile plants projects which you executed. The pipeline projects, as I showed earlier. So, we are also into the power transmission business globally. Executed 30,000 kilometers of power transmission line till date, including substation. This is our own manufacturing facility of the capacity of 240,000 tons per annum of your tower manufacturing facility for power transmission. This is a solar project portfolio for us. We're also into buildings. This is a building for the Berger paints which we executed. Your Vellore Institute of Technology, Tamil Nadu, is built by us. Then your Supreme Court of India was built by us. Then the Prestige Falcon City in Bangalore, this facility is built by us. Then Indian Institute of Technology, Tirupati, is also been constructed by us. In water division, we are also right from reservoir to the complete distribution of water to all the villages with treatment facility is our portfolio. In railways, we are also into metros, underground, above ground metro projects which we have done, and railway electrification as well. And this is the urban infra portfolio wherein like roads, bridges, highways we have done. So this is in a nutshell about our company, basically.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Let me see if anybody else wants to take the floor now. Okay, just Kamal Singh. Just Kamal?
Yes. Hello, everyone. Am I audible?
Yes. And Kalpataru, please put down your PowerPoint or screen. Can you do that, Mrinal, also? You remove it. Yeah, just Kamal, go ahead.
Yes.
Your video is not there.
Presentation.
Okay, if you have a presentation, make it quick. You are the last.
Yes.
Yes, just Kamal, go ahead. If you want to speak, speak. The last speaker of the day, just Kamal. Thereafter,
Yeah,
we
I would like to
close.
present my complete presentation. So I'm sharing.
Yeah, bring it up. While you wait, please keep speaking. The moment PowerPoint comes, I'll let you know and make it brief. Just 2 minutes. Yeah. Slide is on. Bring it
Slide
up.
is on. Okay. Thank you. It's been an honor and privilege to have you on this big platform. Thank you, Embassy of India, Muscat. We are Kia International, a leading manufacturer and exporters for the high-load scaffolding system and formwork system based in India. Yeah, we are into this business. I mean, more than 20 years into this business, and we have 4 units. We are into a product portfolio. This is our product portfolio that we are manufacturing in house. All right, this is steel scaffolding and formworks. We are also into the livestock housing equipments for the animals. The third portfolio, we are into the garden hardware and wooden connectors, especially designed for the wooden houses for the European clients. And these are some our pictures for our manufacturing facilities. We started in 2003, and this is our first unit. The second unit we started in 2009. Slowly, we increase our capacities. We have footprints. We have subsidiary companies in our Europe as well, in Netherlands, in Germany, and in Poland. And so all in all, we have 4 units in Ludhiana, in India. and we are manufacturing in-house under one roof. So this is our Kia group, the pictures of our manufacturing facilities. So our production capacity is more than 2,000 metric tons per month. And we have global footprint across Europe. Majorly, we are manufacturing and exporting our products to Europe and to USA, but very less in Middle East. So we are looking buyers who are interested to collaborate, to associate with us for these assortment. So we are more than 250 crore group company. And we have segregated our product portfolio, like 50% for the scaffolding, 30% for the livestock, and the rest of the we are into customized business. So we have a global presence. We exhibited in Europe, in Germany, in Boma Con Expo, India. We exhibited in USA Concrete Show. We exhibited in Batimet, France, Paris. So these are some pictures for our manufacturing capacities. We have everything in-house for the machinery, for the robotic arm weldings, for the automatic machines for the specialized products. We have laser cutting machines. These are some roll forming machines for the steel walkboards used in access scaffold solutions. We also produce aluminum scaffolds as well. And the biggest strength is our hot dip galvanization plant. We have installed one of the largest automatic hot dip galvanization plant in Ludhiana. We also have electroplating unit as well. In addition, we also provide powder coating facility as well. And in addition, we have a R&D facility for the tool room department for the new molds and the new designs. Apart from that, we have in-house laboratory as well for the welding penetration test, for the load mechanical test, for the compressive test, for the tensile stress. And we have certification from for the ISO certified company. We have welding certification as well. Also, we are business social compliance initiative. We are BSCI certification. We have. These are the certification from our state pollution board. Another certification for the factory production control certification from DVS Germany. These are the welding certifications as per standards, EN standards that we are following. The welder certificates. And these are some documents that are criteria that we follow in our company for the raw materials. We have A-grade suppliers of vendors for the like Bhushan Power Steel. So this is our process control plan. When the raw material comes in, we produce, we inspect the raw material, then we manufacture, then hot dip galvanize, then packaging, then container stuffing. We have in-house container stuffing accredited from Government of India. And we have high-end quality inspectors that analyze the products during in-process as well as pre-dispatch. So thank you so much for your time.
Thank you, Jaskamal. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
With that, we come, sorry, thank you very much, Jaskamal, for that presentation. And with this, we come to the end of the series of presentations made by everyone. This is for me to now thank everyone profusely for having taken time and joined in this session. The context was already announced to you. The only thing to reassure that those who could not make presentation or could not speak for some reason, all of them will be circulated as a part of the conference documentation available at the same link from where you got the invitation. So those who want to dig deeper, connect with those who spoke based on whatever they said or whatever you can read from there would be the next step for you to take forward. In any case, I saw that many of you are already having business here, and those who do not yet have any business with Oman, they're more than welcome to connect with their counterparts in Oman And as you could see that many of the companies are actually either managed, run, or owned by the Indians. Therefore, it's practically on the two sides, both of them collaborating. Omani side providing a warm welcome to the Indians, Indian companies. There's a huge appreciation for the quality work which our companies do. That story can be taken forward. So all in all, building on SEPA, please do take it forward and benefit from 5% duty, which is going to zero now, which will be perhaps putting further, also making the projects also much more competitive on a comparative basis. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.